Hey, welcome to the show. Today we're going to be sewing a pillowcase right here. I got an old sheet from Mom right here, and I got a pillowcase. I flattened it out and I laid it down, and we're going to be cutting the old sheet right about here and then up there. So it's twice the amount. So that way when I bring this back over, I'm going to be sewing our new pillowcase. I am using the Brother CS5055 sewing machine. We just got that. And Lucas and I, we are not professionals, but we are having fun learning how to use this easy, cheesy sewing machine. All right, right now I'm going to go ahead and start cutting the sheet right here, getting our pattern, and then we'll sew it together. All right, right now I'm going to go ahead and cut this part out because I doubled this so that I can sew it over. I'm not using any of those fancy pattern thingies. I'm just going to eye it. So I'm going to go ahead and cut using my scissors. Again, my experience on sewing is probably 2 days, and we're having fun. We are definitely having fun. All right. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a cut going this way. And just be careful when you're cutting not to cut the expensive bed sheet underneath it, the bed cover, because Mom would not like that. All right. And I'm just kind of eyeing this. We did make a pillowcase before and it turned out pretty good. All right. And as you can see, it's not totally straight, but that's all right. That's all right. I'll show you how to straighten that up here in a minute. So I'm going to take this off and we're going to fold this just like that. And I can't wait to hear the comments from all the professional sewers out there to probably give me advice. Okay, that cut was totally uneven. You see that right here, Lucas? That was totally uneven, but we're going to straighten that cut up. So don't worry about that. So I'm going to come in here. And we're just going to cut this here. Now both sides should be even. Don't cut your fingers. All right, and we're going to match this up with the original pillowcase. See how we did. Not too shabby, not too shabby. All right, now what our plan is, I'm going to go ahead and sew this part here first. Lucas is going to be helping me out, and then we'll come in and sew this part out. All right, Lucas is putting this into the Brother sewing machine. He's going to lock it in place. And what pattern are you going to be using today?
I'm going to use this pattern right here.
Okay, number
21.
21. All right. So he's got that set up right here. And there you go. Then bring this hand up a little closer. And you can do. Yeah, there you go. Look at that pattern. Looking really good. This sewing machine, I did a lot of research and found that this is a great entry-level machine, but also you can use it for doing a lot of like tougher material. So it was definitely quite worth it. We're having a lot of fun with that. Use this hand over here, yeah. This hand, put that there. And if you got any comments or suggestions, please leave them down below. And I'll tell you, with this machine for threading, getting the spool set up and the other spool down there, it was really easy because everything is numbered on how you set this up, and also putting the thread through the needle. That thing is going fast. Now we're almost coming to the end, and there's a little trick that we do, so we can show you that. So Lucas has been doing a lot of different projects, even on his own. And when we set up this sewing machine, we looked at a couple of tutorials on YouTube, probably about like 2 videos. And then we looked at the instructions, and I tell you, within like a half hour, we felt like we kind of knew what we were doing. So when we come close to the edge, he's going to be using that back button here in a minute. Okay, go for it. All right. Now, how do you want to do this? Do you want to cut the string and then, or do you want to shift it around? Probably cut the string, I suppose. So I'll show you how you cut the string. He'd raise this up, then he's going to raise that needle up. There's a little lever over on the side. Then there's a little cutter right here. Okay, now we're going to do the other side.
Can we use a different pattern?
Yep, you can use a different pattern.
Number 20.
He's going to use number 20. So get it nice and even. And then we take the threads and we kind of hold on to them a little bit just when we start here. Okay. I tell you, when we're using the foot down there, sometimes we really want to press down on it. The foot pedal down there. And I tell you, it's kind of relaxing just sewing, creating some cool projects.
And if you're wondering how fast it can go, that's our better.
Are both sides of those sheets pretty even? Yeah, doing a great job. A little more. That thing is going fast. Now go a little slower because this ridge is coming here. Watch your fingers. So I'm going to pull a little bit on the back. Okay, keep on going. We're doing good. Yep, it made it pretty good over the ridge. All right. Getting close to the end. And like I said, when he comes close to the end, he's going to do that double stitch. All right, ready? Do the back stitch. Do that for a little bit. So I think by using the back stitch, it kind of makes more of a knot for you. So he raises this part here, the little, whatever it's called, the thingy, cuts the string. All right, here's our pillowcase now. It kind of looks kind of not finished because what we have to do right now is turn this inside out. So take it inside out. And then when you're done, once you put it on the bed there, it'll show people what it looks like. All right. So here we go. Looks really nice. All right, we're going to put a pillow in here and see what it looks like. Fits the pillow really nice. As you can see, I'm opening this up here. But yeah, I like it. Nice pillowcase. Inexpensive because we're using some old sheets that we had. And I'll tell you, that really looks beautiful. I can't wait to sleep on this. Hey, thanks a lot for watching the show. I'm really happy at the pillow that Lucas and I made. Lucas did all the sewing on this Brother. It is the CS5055. Highly recommend it. It's a great sewing machine to learn from, especially from Dad and all the kids here. And it doesn't take up a lot of room on the desk. It's very easy to load the thread into the needle. And I guess those things are called bobbins. It's also easy to make the bobbin. Has a lot of cool patterns. It comes with some accessories right here to use all those settings. There's the thing I liked about it the best is that there's so many cool tutorials on YouTube on how to use this. And now you got one to make a pillowcase from Dad. Yeah, and you know what? We didn't, make it, when we cut everything, it wasn't so super even. But look at the results. Right now, I'm going to go try this pillow out. Hey, thanks a lot for watching the show. Make sure you check out our other videos. We're going to have some more videos using the sewing machine. And have a great day out there. Adios. Goodbye.